This is a test video of a 14.5 volt 3.1 amp adapter to see what kind of power it puts out. After a short time it usually shuts down and puts out about 10 watts. Right now we got no power consumption, no current, and 14.78 volt under no load. Let's hook up a couple of resistors. This is two 10 ohm resistors. It's consuming 24 watts, 1.4 amps of current, and the voltage is 4.62. Starting to make a little sound now. You can hear that. Temperature of the adapter is about 91. Oh, and there, now it's cycling on and off. 24 watts, 15, 16, 8. And you can see the current shutting down. Voltage is cycling on and off also. Resistor temperature. About 236 degrees. You can hear it cycling on and off.